I was gonna say iBox 10R. Hey guys, this is Yvonne from KLGadgetTV, and today we have the iPhone 10R in our office. Now I'm pretty excited about this phone because I have been using the iPhone 8 for almost a year now, and I think I need to upgrade to a bigger display phone. Now the 10R is much more affordable compared to the 10s and the 10s Max, so I will unbox this today and share my first impressions with you. So before we begin, the iPhone 10R will be available in Malaysia this Friday from the price of 3,499 ringgit. It comes in 6 colors and it supports dual SIM features just like the 10s and 10s Max. Now the version we got here is the white color one and it supports eSIM. So now let's unbox this 10R. Ta-da! Okay, so firstly we have the manual, which comes with a Apple logo, Apple sticker, and then we have the 10R. Ta-da! It's in white. The charger, the lightning earpods without the dongle, and last but not least, the lightning cable. So the iPhone 10R definitely has a bigger display compared to my iPhone 8. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display, and you can see that there is a notch for the Face ID and Animoji features, which I can't do with my iPhone 8. On the side, it has an aerospace-grade aluminium frame, and on its back and its front, it has a durable glass that, according to Apple, is stronger than the iPhone 10. You can also see that the SIM tray position has been lowered, and the iPhone 10R has dual stereo speakers like the iPhone 10s and 10s Max, which offers a wider soundstage. So I've been playing around with the iPhone 10R and I definitely love the bigger display, and it has faster touch response compared to my iPhone 8, but color-wise it's similar to the iPhone 8 and it has good viewing angles. What is lacking, however, is the 3D touch, whereby when you press on an app harder, it will actually come out sub-menu and shortcuts, which is not available on the 10R. Another thing to miss is the home button, but I think I'll learn to get used to it. So now let's find some interesting features, which is from the camera app. So despite the fact that the iPhone 10R only has single lens, it can still take portrait lighting due to the A12 Bionic chip. Unlike the 10s and 10s Max though, it only has 3 lighting and it misses 2 lighting modes known as stage light and stage light mono. Now I've taken a picture of myself previously, and when you click at it, like the 10s and 10s Max, you can adjust the aperture for the depth of the background. You can also change the lighting mode. There is contour light, studio light, and natural light. So I'm very excited to be switching from my iPhone 8 to the iPhone 10R, and there will be a full review video coming up soon. Stay tuned for the video, subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and this is Yvonne signing out. Bye!